Hi guys, today we're going to open Robo Chameleon.
So guys, this is a chameleon that can light up, that can eat if you put food in front of him, and he can walk. And also he can change his color.
So guys, we've opened the first layer of this Robo Chameleon. And now let's open the chameleon now. So guys, we opened the chameleon. So we've opened the first layer of the chameleon. Wow, look how big it is. It's like this big. So guys, this side of the chameleon and this side lights up, like changes color.
Wow.
And you can turn its eyes. Would it turn itself? Wow, look, if I turn this eye moves as well. Now we need to put battery into the Robo Chameleon and into the remote control.
Look at this.